Hey guys, TechZeus here, and today I have Mi Band 2. Now this smartwatch the smart band was released by Xiaomi a long time ago. I think it has been around a year or a bit more or less so back. So anyway, I was not able to get my hands on this product, and unfortunately I was not able to buy that. So I had to buy the Mi Band HRX edition. I have already made a video on that, you can check that out. But today I have the Mi Band 2. It's a long time later. I have this device with me finally, and I'm sure many of you who are watching this video have this product, and if you want you can just watch this video because let's say it can bring back some good memories. And those of you who don't know this product, then keep watching. So we'll just cut open the seal. I got this for 1800 rupees via cash on delivery from me.com. We'll just cut the seal, and yeah, there we have the box. Same box, almost the same box as the Mi Band HRX edition, and very small compact box usually, and the battery capacity is 70 mAh. This was something which I had not seen earlier, and the price quoted here is 2499. I got it for 1800. Xiaomi has some price cuts indeed. And then you have the water resistance IP67. It's a good thing. And we'll just open this. We'll take off this plastic covering, and there we have the box. This is something which I've noticed in many unboxings of this type of products from Xiaomi. The box is generally a bit tight. Yes, a nice soft cushion there. Exact same packaging. I know what to expect. We'll just take this off. We have the strap here, the same strap which I received with this one, and there is one difference though. Here if you see, HRX is mentioned. I'm not sure if you can see this clearly, but I'll just focus on this one. HRX, the logo of the company which Xiaomi partnered to make this device. Now it's a bit banged up. I know it's been a couple of months of usage, and anyways, it's the same band, but there is no such logo. It's just plain vibrant, or let's not say vibrant, but very nice texture here. We'll keep that aside. You have the band itself. We'll again lift that up, and here is where you can pop this up. Now the main difference between these two bands is that this is kind of more expensive than the other one, and it has a heart rate sensor. Now Xiaomi is not known for its heart rate sensor because there have been some reports that this is not that accurate, but anyway, I just wanted one smart band. I don't use that much, but I'll just use this for. And you have the same exact charging cable. Keep this because if it breaks, then I don't think you can get it that easily. Maybe you can order it from online. And you have the user guide by Xiaomi. Who anyone reads that? We just keep that aside. And we have the band itself. Now I don't know how to do this, but I will just take this off. A very popular device by Xiaomi, I must say. And this is the band itself, and I'm gonna test this out for a couple of days and probably make a review after a couple of weeks. And I do think that this would be indeed good. I don't see that much difference that I would expect because I have already used the Mi Band HRX edition, so that's great. Yeah, but one thing I just want to tell you, the battery life, as I said earlier on this video, was amazing on the Mi Band HRX edition. It's like amazing. Today's the battery is around 53%. I had charged this 2 weeks ago. You now know what kind of battery usage I'm telling, and I'm using this every day. And some of the days are including intensive workout, so you know how hard it gets to charge up the smart band as frequently. But the battery life on the HRX edition was amazing, and that was because of the missing heart rate sensor. Now that I have this here, I doubt that battery life will be great, but anyways, I'll just test this out because I have never used the actual Mi Band or the Mi Band 2. I've just used the Mi Band HRX edition, so it'll be interesting to test it out. And so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.